Man, these things are so dirty. Looks like someone's hype dad was hanging out with your mom, cause she hella dusty.
Oh, hell no!
Hey, what's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'm be hosting today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's video, we got the hypest dad shoes we can find. These are the Nike Vomero 5s that have seen better days. I mean, these boys are extremely dusty, but we will bring them back to life using our signature shoe cleaning kit. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we are going to be showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit, plus a bunch of other Reshoevn8r products. So let me go ahead and talk about the products that don't come in the signature shoe cleaning kit, like this mat. This will act as a great space for you to clean your shoes and not allow you to make a muddy, murky mess. The next product is going to be our dry rack bowl combo. This will allow us to store our brushes and allow them to dry properly, plus give us a bowl of water. With that said, I am just going to grab our water and fill it up like so. Next, let me go ahead and break down what comes inside your signature shoe cleaning kit. You're gonna get all three of our signature brushes, your soft, medium, and stiff. You want the three different brushes for the different materials on the shoes, but again, I'll talk about that as I'm using each brush. Moving on to the next product that comes in your kit is gonna be our 4-ounce bottle of solution. You're gonna get a towel, shoe trees, plus our patent sneaker laundry bag. All these products and more are available at Reshoevn8r.com, as well as all your shoe care needs. So don't forget to hit the link in the bio to save y'all some dollar bills. But we are about 90% ready, maybe even 99% ready to get this party started. First things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this shoe, set that aside so we can see a before and after purpose at the end. Plus, don't need that either. Now I can insert our adjustable shoe tree and remove these laces. So let's get it, let's go. All right, before we get this cleaning party popping off, I want to talk a little bit about this sneaker. This is the Nike Vomero 5 that debuted in 2012. And in 2012, I was heavy into sneakers. That's when I was copping almost everything, spending all my hard-earned money on sneakers. And this shoe, it just slipped the radar. I don't even remember this shoe dropping. Fast forward to today, this is probably one of the most popular silhouettes of the last 2 years. It's really feeding into that hype dad shoe, the Y2K trainers and all that. But let us know in the comment section down below, were you rocking these in 2012 or did you just hop on the wave? But with that said, we can go ahead and get the cleaning started. Gonna grab our solution and just squirt some squirts. We got our solution in a bowl of water. You only need 2 squirts. This stuff is highly concentrated. 1 bottle can clean up to 50 pairs. With that said, let's hop on it and get going. All right, our soft bristle brush is really breaking down all this dirt and grime. We always recommend starting with our soft bristle brush, not only because it's just safest on most material, but it really generates the most bubbles and gets the suds nice and sudsy. I did just go ahead and hit it with 1 pass using our soft bristle brush. I'm actually gonna do 1 more, again, just focus on some of those deeper areas. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for our soft bristle brush. Now I'm gonna use our medium bristle brush, work on this midsoles, as well as take care of some of these deeper plastic areas around the back.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
All right guys, as I was working with the medium bristle brush, I did notice the inside sock liner is looking extremely dinged, and it's only right I do my due diligence and get inside there as well. All right guys, I'm all done using our medium bristle brush. I did use that brush to work on the insides. I'm not spending too much time in there because again, the sneaker laundry system is designed to flush out all those stains and odors. So again, I'm gonna let that process really flush out the shoe. But with that said, I can jump over to our stiff bristle brush and really take care of this outsole. All right, that midsole and outsole is looking nice and spiffy. Right now, I do gotta take care of the lace that is setting aside, but as this is soaking in water, I do wanna talk to you guys a little more. You know, I gotta tap in with the community. Personally, I've never owned a pair, but again, I've heard a lot of great things about them. They're supposed to be extremely comfortable, so I wanna talk to the community. If I was to pick up a pair, what colorway should I get? Personally, kinda leaning more towards the DBs. It's just a super loud, vibrant colorway. It's hype. I mean, this is a hype dad shoe, so it's only right. Let me know, should I pull the trigger on that shoe? If not, what other colorway should I get? But with that said, let's go ahead and work on these laces. They have been soaking. Let's just look at all this dirty water. Should I pour it out on the mat? Should I? Should I? I got the green light. Let's go ahead and pour all this on the mat. Just so we can show you how well that's gonna soak up. Get these out as well. With all that being said, we can go ahead and just put these shoes inside our sneaker laundry bag and wash in the washer using cold water. Since we have this dirty mat, it's only right. Let's go ahead and wash the mat with the shoes as well. Let's go. All right guys, before we put these in the washer, some things I just wanna highlight. As you're looking at this bag, you see all that extra dirt just resurface. We just used all three brushes, cleaned the shoes completely even, and they looked really good. However, again, after putting it in the bag, you're seeing all these stains surface. That is why the laundry system is key to really flushing out all these stains. Can't forget our sneaker laundry detergent. All right guys, we are back. It has been officially 24 hours and we let this shoe fully dry. This Vomero 5 is looking like a 10. But before I get it laced up, I wanna highlight when you're cleaning mesh or even canvas, you just gotta trust the process. After taking it out the washer, there's a chance the shoe, the mesh, the white sections, the canvas may look a little dingy. You just have to let the shoe fully dry, let it go through that whole drying process to get results like this. Trust me, trust the process. But with that said, let's go and get these laced up. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. Let me go ahead and just bring in this dirty pair so you can see how we got down. We got down on these Vomeros using our signature shoe cleaning kit that does come with all three brushes, solution, towel, shoe trees, and a laundry bag. Another key component we use with our sneaker laundry detergent. I do want to holler at the community one time. For the one time, we do have an exclusive promo code that is live right now. It's Vomero20 to save 20% off your next order. But you got to act fast because it's only good for the first 20 orders. If you stuck around to the end of the video, we have a major announcement tomorrow. We are dropping a huge product that you guys have been asking us forever for. If you want to be notified, make sure you're following us on all social media platforms. Plus, you can sign up for our newsletters on reshoubanier.com. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch you on another one. Peace.